Representing Santa Catarina industry is a huge responsibility. As huge as the numbers produced by the Santa Catarina Industrial Park, one of the largest and most productive in the country. And this is exactly the work of FIESC, representing the interests of this powerful industry and of its more than 735,000 workers. Work that you will get to know better now. FIESC is affiliated with the National Confederation of Industry, CNI, and is a leader of the FIESC system that also unites the Social Service of Industry, the National Service of Industrial Training, the Center of Industries of Santa Catarina, and the Evaldo Ladi Institute. To politically and institutionally represent Santa Catarina industry in relations with the powers that be and organized sectors of society, FIESC brings together more than 130 unions. In addition to this, it offers other strategic services to the industrial sector. Tracking updates of industrial processes, FIESC also works to constantly perfect the industrial sector, promoting training programs, lectures, and courses, all to maintain the standards of excellence of the products from Santa Catarina and meet the requirements of internal and external markets. Another important initiative of FIESC is its international missions. The missions enhance partnerships and not only open doors abroad for the products of Santa Catarina's industry, but also permit the transfer of technology and new management experiences. All this increases the competitiveness of the companies, guaranteeing them representation and the ideal conditions to conquer the international market. Currently, Santa Catarina products are exported to over 170 countries. Santa Catarina's industrial sector is diversified and requires more and more specific knowledge. To monitor this whole production chain, FIESC counts on 15 regional vice presidencies and also on specialized governing bodies. The company leaders and regional vice presidencies give the necessary support to FIESC in strategic decisions. The governing bodies participate in the discussion, guidance, and monitoring of issues related to the development and competitiveness of the industries. This way, combining the participation of businessmen with the support of the technical team of FIESC, the governing bodies offer subsidies for the positioning of the Federation regarding subjects inherent to the industrial sector. FIESC also represents the interests of industry in front of the executive, legislative, and judicial powers. In this way, the Federation contributes actively to minimize factors like the excess of taxes and interest, bureaucracy, and the lack of infrastructure, challenges that the industrial sector confronts daily. This way, FIESC also keeps attention on the condition of the roads, ports, and airports of the state, demanding effective action by the government so that Santa Catarina production can be distributed more effectively. In the energy sector, it is no different. FIESC follows the activities and monitors the rates of the Santa Catarina energy sector. Besides this, it stimulates research, development, and the application of other energy sources, such as gas. The Federation also follows strategic projects for the development of the state, actively participating in important forums and interacting with other business entities. In this way, FIESC intends to bring even closer industry and society. The Federation of Industries also helps to disseminate the concepts of sustainability and actively participates in the formulation of legislation that allows a balance between economic development and environmental preservation. This is because the industrial sector is completely aware that the search for sustainable development is a good path for companies that want to increase their competitiveness. Mainly in Santa Catarina, a state where 1/4 of Brazil's mid-Atlantic rainforest is preserved. Visit our website and find out what's going on at the Federation of Industries of the state of Santa Catarina. On the website, you will find products, services, and other strategic information on the Santa Catarina industrial sector. FIESC also offers programs and projects in the areas of infrastructure, publications, and periodic surveys on the performance of our industry. That's it. Good luck with your business, and until we meet again.